Karbi Autonomous Council New Secretariat Building Conference wala long langka jana hawara long arondre pen kedu thip Bangladesh khaya ke tharli Japan kachingwai. Borjan constituency ang kanglang buku alang sunalong kijoy kilang adim ki paman pon Japan Karbi Autonomous Council hin pen ka humridam. Arondre pen koila ki Purington nang jipo ala pe Hills Progressive Youth Association at pen Karbi Deputy Commissioner deng pin pura lo ki pajirdam. Karbi Prime Time along penili Villarban Krupi non beer tangton pen RJ tha. Karbi along Regis Semet pen Hojai District aduye hoy kedai lang kajana hawara long nang kibi ongdung Bangladesh khaya tumapan ketharle mat eviction sai ke deng Japan tang ni pai chok siarni Karbi Autonomous Council Secretariat Building Conference holalong Karbi Autonomous Council CEM Tuliram rong hangpen mai kipab birta kadni sosa hemalong birta nang pale
Langkai jana hawara long adat kaprek pen nang kebe ongdung Bangladesia khaya tumapan propjin pen ke tharleji aputhak Karbi Autonomous Council New Secretariat Building Conference hall along chingwai pontanglo arsik jit pen kachingwai amai along Karbi Autonomous Council EM atum Mongol Singh Timung Prodip Rongpi Horen Singh Be Omar Singh Tiso Jagat Singh Inti Mudhurja Dhekil Khukon MAC Richard Togbi MOS Implementation OSD Elvin Teron Karbi Autonomous Council Principal Secretary Mahananda Hazarika Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Mukul Kumar Saikya, Karbi Anglong Superintendent of Police Gaurav Upadhyay Anparta, Guwahati Pen Assistant Director of Survey Kitubon Konwar, CO Lanka Revenue Champak Datta, Lanka Revenue Circle Pen Binod Saikya, DFO ARO Pen Chenglok Ongdung ke Theke Dingatum Chetongdun.
Biga তেওঁলোকৰ মানে এটা মসজিদ বনাইছে দোকান বনাইছে তেওঁলোকৰ ঘৰ বনাইছে আৰু তেওঁলোকৰ খেতি কৰিছে হেতুলো আমি ইয়া 1600 ফোর্স দিয়া হলো সব গুটেখিনি রেডি করা হইছে আমি ইলেকশন কৰিম বুলি এই কাজা কৈছে ইলিগেল বাংলাদেশী মুসলিম বিলাকৰ কিয় ইয়াত আমাৰ মাটি বিলাকৰ কপাই কৰিছে
Karbi angkang bang khaya dimalong son kijut kelang hin kang thurjia phanpura Karbi Autonomous Council CEM tuliram rong hang pen kidam tangarni Karbi Autonomous Council EM lun sing teron aphan ke palang chari ang hoi pek ponlo la swat teng pen thang ni phai chok arning kichengsi aphong number 21 Borjan constituency ang kang kedo lang vukolang sonalong kilang chari dam pado Lapen la so hu jakria song NGO tumpen chirap cheto dunsi tebok terai ke do rat tumpen pen isi cherok to mai tapaman pon Karbi Autonomous Council EM lun sing teron tourism asai kam kilang chari ang hoi deng det pen cheng sia phong lang bukwa lang sun kilang chari damalong man kedo Karbi Autonomous Council Chairman long kitimung la chetong dun Lapen Borjan Constituency VDC Chairman Chris Rongphar Karbi Autonomous Council Work Department ISO Rongsar Samson Ingti lapen jakria song NGO amai phu Augustine timung lapen area sang ho tum chetong Maya long Karbi Autonomous Council EM lun sing teron pen lam thike jai pon ke Karbi ang kang pen an kijoy kilang adim do lahaya long mesen kijoy kilang abar sai ke pa mesen Japan sai deng pon po la solong rong rat tu mesen kilang chari duna kinang sot kidam tangar ni kang thilang solam ki ason ki kavede Japan than paritika Anparta tebok tera rat tum ladak ason chujor chalang dun pen mithang kering Japan ali chilong un Athe bang ada long sitame tourism pen an kaching thodo lason sitak kedo Karbi rat tum sitame ching thodo no nang pen paprang dun nang polam hai hu kachitong no rat tum aphat than pachini teka Dongmukak pen kilometer ke thom an kahelu sarthe rong phar arong rongker karkli arni pen pacheton dunsi Wilson rong phar pen sarsing ingtia tum pen patler pi ponsi rubri chola pen nothing pi films present akira pen singing competition mesen pen ki pajut pon biota pherange pen katni sosa hemalong biota nang pale Singing competition mate lun kilun kachipate along bang thom cap sosia bang phu bang phiatum chipate dun bang thom cap sosi kachipate ang bong pen bang phiatum aphan Ase kar jumi mate ke thega tumpusi ingwai ponlo ke chengsi anong e jotin besi chepalong ponlo adun thu anong e sonjoy phangcho ke thomang deng anong e kelong abang phu sonjit rong hang lapen plia anong e mate consolation prize handsome rong parsi chepalong labang so lun kilun kachipati ajai megalong nongnam kachathang alun se pia tum chetong dun lason si mande sorong phar bari rong phar pilapen renuria phangcho pia tum chetong dun Nongnam kachathang klong alun se po mande sorong phar pen jumisan dun par chupon Lapen bang soja megalong kachupha pon abang phi Ristina Bhagwati Tisopi Lapen, Asong Alam Arjana Long Kachi Parjana Bang Pubang Piatumta, Chitong Dunsi Mesoning Samjin Pen Singing Competition Pajut Ponlo. Namalam Sopor Panbir Tamoing Tapaniksina. Please tap in Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, one step to the world of fashion. All kind of facilities are available here, such as hair spa, bleaching, makeup, pedicure and manicure, hair perming, straightening, body spa, facial, threading, waxing, etc. For more information, please contact 6001-863-460. Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, first floor, Cakes Legacy Building, Main Market, Diffu.
Simonjir Children Park cum picnic spot, a place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014-33731. 93652-07012. Simonjir Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbi Anglong.
Karbi Academy Diffu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from 1st week of December 2018 from 8 AM to 1 PM. Karbi Academy Diffu, Rukasan Amlapati, Diffu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Karbi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason selam pontanglo. Lasinang tum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi kulat along longpon ikji. Kang sirtang kejun alang Tharwe alang, Theso alang, Kecho ajam tu, Tharmit aduk, Thelua kreng, Chitronola, Ukthor pen chenglok ong dung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dinamo Piputat Birtalong Wangthulo. Karbi Anglong along aron Repen Koilaki Purkang Hopothak Thangthangni Paitrokani Hills Progressive Youth Association at Tumpen Karbi Anglong Deputy Commissioner Arideng Pinperloki Pajur Damabirta Hills Progressive Youth Association of Maipu Enjoy Disopen Katni Sosahem along Birta Nang Pali. Karbi Anglong Angkang Kludung Langmili Disobay Disama Koilamati Nambora Habar Malompen Dilai Koilajan Haihui along aron Repen Koilaki Purpini Arian Takang Tonja Lam Avilang Aron Re Koilaki Purpen Government a Revenue Taki Panahoklo Lapen Koilaki Purpen Ingsam Lapen Koilaki Purpen Ingnam Sitami Nahok Piklo La Sojok Koilaki Pur Adung Malom ke Dwarong Orat Tum Sitame Kibang Ji Arni Sai Kachutikia Pan Kanahok Hetanpo Kidam tang arni koila ki phur ke pang ton chia phan ing na rai ko masai kama tum pen sai deng ponlo jikloi jon bang ing samri pen puthot phu thuboi phak la puson si ka chiplang la si propjin pen la so puthak kilak chari dun chia phan pin pro lo along ki jong padola pen aron re pen koila ki phur along sai kam sai phula pen chokomara tum setame kachelang dun do pulote arona teng pen ing sai nang jipota pin pro lo along jong pon Sekachelang hem awe kirui thu ka slam det pen an parta sekelang aphan non ke doktor tum kidam de dara jok lang lokso public health center hem along kichopang renga pi mate bi phak la pen chainong kidam adim cheplang det pusi thang thang ni phai chok siarni phirang ke pen biuta nang pali
lang lokso hawar arada tum ke sukachelang aphan pura phc hem doktor jayanta rongpi mp ke khibo mahotsi kim rang ponlo congress sarkar ke dobba mahota doktor atum ke dam de dara jok morim sang lo la pen bi phak chainong ke domadim mandet lopusi rada tumpen pherang ke kahom rida mahut pachini lasi non Karbi Anglong autonomous council kachari bom asorkar atum prabjin pen PSC ke pareng thuji aphan langlokso rada tumpen kachoning ripatu
Karbi prime time abirta bang kila pans kang ton poniklo domi thagmi kurong thu